like everyone will be know, right? Our training could be performance testing training, right? So everyone will be know what is performance testing. Anyone know what is performance testing? So like in our training, right? I will provide for yes.
Yeah, sorry, my voice is very.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Yeah. So your side some disturbance coming. Okay, no worry. Okay. So
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, no worry. Yeah, so like I will provide the performance testing training. So we have the different tools in the market: load runner, Neoload, JMeter, load gen, Source. So these all will be performance tools, but depends on the market. So using from the few tools only, mostly using from the load runner only. Maximum 95% of the companies using from the load runner only. Okay, and Neoload it is using from the like 1% only. So remaining like 3% using from the okay JMeter. See this load gen source it is using from the some different tools also we have. So this will be like 1% only. But you can observe
Any
only
possible to record this one?
yeah. Sorry.
Any possible to record this one?
Yeah, one thing I think I started recording. Okay, so
Okay, okay.
okay, I started recording. Okay. So if
Okay.
anyone like video on right, you can off the your videos. Okay, no need from the video for this section. Okay, so like you can observe. Yes, already started recording. Okay, so now you can observe. So we have the different tools in the market. Load runner, it's a one of the performance tool. Neoload is also one of the performance tool, and JMeter and load gen and Soasta. So these all tools in the market. But in load runner only, all companies using from the 95% is companies using from the performance testing point of view only load runner only. Like Neoload, it is using from the that is also one of the performance testing tool. So 1% is companies only using, and JMeter it is using from the 3%, and loads and source are remaining. So these tool we using from the only for 1%.
1%.
Okay. Hello. Please mute everyone. Someone already video also it is showing. So please, Sunil. Okay, thank you. So please mute yourself. Okay. So like you can observe why every company using from the 95% means mostly maximum companies using from the load runner only. Why load runner only using from the companies? Why not Neoload, JMeter, these load gens are not using for more than 90%? Why not using? Means so load runner means that is one of the like license based tool. Means you want to do from the testing as a performance testing means you need to buy the license. So that is why most of the companies like license based tool only they will accept. Why? Because security point of view. First thing is a security. Security, why security means if you buy the license, your data like what is the data, for example banking application will be there. So the data and everything will be very securely will be there. Which tools are is a buy to the license based. License means they need to purchase that tool. See, this JMeter is there. It's an open source tool. Means anyone can download it, any can do the performance testing, and that is why such type of application maximum companies never accept. Why? Because their data should be not a secure. So that is why most of the companies using from the 95% of the companies using load runner. And Neoload also license based tool, but compared to the load runner, it will not support from the multiple protocols, and very features will be more compared to the Neoload. Okay, so and one more thing, for example we'll see the one project is came. Okay, example one project is came to the client, one project is given the client. So is given from the budget, some 3.6 millions is given. Okay, 3.6 millions they are given. So immediately you thinking about that, okay, 3.6 million is given. So JMeter is a open source tool only, right? So means JMeter open source means it is a free of cost, no need to buy the license. You are okay, I will go with the JMeter. So client is asked to you which tool you are using. Okay, I am using from the JMeter. Okay, JMeter means you don't need from the more budget. Why you need 3.6 millions? Will give only for the like 1 million, otherwise like 50,000. So they will give from the like that they tell, because it's a open source tool, so it's a free of cost. So if you want to execute how many users also you can execute, that is a free of cost. So this budget no need, will give from the only 1 million only you give it. Then what will happen? Company will ask from the 2.6 millions. Okay, so and once you get the project 3.6 millions, okay, client is giving, then you need to show to the client we are using from the load runner tool. It is a license based tool, so we need from the more budget. You need to ask from the apart from the 3.6. So we need from the at least 5 millions we need from the this project. Why? Because we need to buy the license, and we need from the more resources from this tool. So that is why we need from the 5 millions. Then client will be believe that, because okay, it's a license based tool and resource also need more. Okay, we'll give from the 5 millions. So but you can observe, if you use from the JMeter, what they told, will give from the only 1 million only. So that is why most of the companies, all MNC based companies, they are using from the mostly 95% of the companies using from the load runner. So in our training, I will give from the load runner and JMeter. These two tools I will give from the our performance testing point of view. So before going to the tool, right? First thing, what is performance testing? Why we need to do the performance? Why as a performance test engineer need from the as a software companies? Why? Because see, as a developer, he will develop from the some code, and that code once development is completed, like for example, you can think about it like one project you can take it, and I will explain. Okay, notepad I'm opening. Okay, so you can observe our project is now Facebook. So developer is this application is development is completed. Okay, and after that developer is completed, functional testing will be needed. Why? Because like each and every page, as per their expectation, we are after login we need to go to the next page, like you can do from the upload video, download video, watching or comment you need to do, miss after login you need to go. So that login is we are able to doing from the successful or not, you need to check. That is the functional testing. So once functional testing also completed, functional and automation also you can think these two will be both will be same. Okay, automation. Okay, so after that, okay, next page will be ours, like our performance testing. So here you need to do from the performance testing. What is performance testing means? We need to test the application behavior under various conditions, like load point of view, stress point of view, scalability, reliability point of view. We need to check. Like for example, just simply think. Okay, we have the Facebook. What things we can do? Anyone can explain? Launch URL, and second one login. Okay, just simple scenarios I'm explaining. Okay, just small project. Okay, this is the launch, and you know, right, comment also we can do, and we can do from the like comment and charting, chart, and video upload also we can do. For here, these are scenarios like we need to do from these things, right? Facebook means. So what will happen is, as a functional tester and developer will be developed from the up to this, as per their job will be done, log out. So means they are doing from the, like, what will happen, developer means each and every point of view they will write from the some code. It is developed in the .NET or Java or SAP, whatever may be. So as a developer will be, he will develop the code and he will develop the application. So because just we are doing from the front end some application means the back end will be there. As a developer he will write from the lot of code. So as a developer point of view, is code everything is completed. Next we'll go to the functional and automation team. They will test the application, like they will trying to do from the launch. So we are able to log in successfully or not. Login also they are doing. They will give from the username password, click on login button. It is going to the next page or not, they will check. Okay, and comment. So this is where they will check from the each and every field. Okay, spelling also is correct or not, alignment also is correct or not. So each and every point they will check from the application. For example, we'll open from the any one of the application. So for example, this is one application. So in this application you can observe. So our point of view, what we can do means, we have, if you launch means completed, okay, our point of view is completed. But as a functional tester point of view, you will check from the each end. Okay, JP Pest Store is okay, spelling is correct or not. Alignment also is correct or not. Demo is correct or not. Color also as per client. Okay, client also demo is color correct or not. And sign in. So each and every button, each and every spelling, each and everything they will test. That is the functional testing. So go into the now performance testing. So what will happen if you launch the application and after that you are logging, what will happen is maximum you can observe Facebook is there. So what will happen, only like you are only using or many people using? Many people using, right, for that Facebook application or any banking application, any insurance application. So maximum people are using from that application. What will happen, for example, we have any timeline given Facebook, okay, you need to log in only from 6 o'clock, you need to log in from 7 o'clock. So there is any condition they are given? They are not given. So then what we'll do, ourselves, when we are free, we'll go to that application, we can log in and we can do from the our transactions. So that means what happen, at a time number of user also their application will be access. So means login is at a time 1 lakh users also it will access. So if it is login 1 lakh user access, their application will be okay, no slow. Like if you click from the sign in button, immediately you need to open from the, if it is a 1 lakh user also it is accessing from the same time. So yourself you need to, okay, sign in is the within 1 second is happening or not, as a 1 lakh users within 2 seconds is happening or not, we need to check. Okay, so means each and every number of users, like not only sign in. So if you have login is there, login also you need to give from the username password and click on that. So this is also at a time 1 lakh user access, login is successfully as per client is given 2 seconds. We are expecting from the 2 seconds, within 2 seconds is happening or not. So 1 lakh users we need to check. Comment, chat, video, all log out. So each and everything we need to check from the, so these many users will be access for their application. Application will be not crash and there is no slow. So we need to observe those things. That is the our performance testing. For example, you are observe that login is the client is given only 2 seconds, but you are done the testing. Okay, after done the performance testing, after done the performance testing, so you got from the 3 seconds. So client will be accept this results, because actual client is only
No.
expecting 2 seconds, but we got from the 3 seconds. So client will be never accept. So if you not accepted, your testing is completed, not completed. If your testing is not completed, this application is not going to the live. Live means, see, for example, we are already using Facebook. So your like that is application is not going to the live. See your phase like development completed, functional is completed. Yourself also you need to give from the sign off. Okay, performance testing also done as per client. Each and every transaction we can call it as a launch is one transaction, login is one transaction, comment is one transaction. We can do each and every transaction as per client. All transaction will be 2 seconds. Then you will give from the completed. Then the application will go into the live. Up to that, that application is not going to the live. So that is why, as a performance test engineer in software testing point of view, software is like okay, software companies point of view very important, because our in the last phase we need to certify that okay this application is fine. Then you can use from the your application is a production. Got it everyone? So this is the just simply one project I taken and explain. Now we'll go to the everything will be like practical only. Okay. We'll just I will give from the today like demo section like load runner. So in load runner we have the 5 components. What are there means virtual user generator and controller and agent process and load generator and analyzer. So if you go to the first one, virtual user generator. What is the virtual user generator means? You want to record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose we are using from the load generator. So business flow nothing but this is the business flow. For example, launch login. After that you are doing from the click on fish, click on dog and log out. So these all will be can consider as a business flow. So like each and every application we need to record using from the our virtual user generator component. So once your recording is completed, that script you can push into the controller. Controller means what is the script you are developed, that script just you can put it from the controller, and you want from the 1000 users, 1 lakh user, 2 lakh user, how many user you want to execute, you can do from the controller. Okay, so now we'll go to the okay like I will open from the virtual user generator. You can see this is the virtual user generator. So just open that. So this is the virtual user generator. Which purpose we can use means like we can record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose we are using from the virtual user generator. See once open this it will be look like this, and this is the just plus means add new script. So if you click from the add new script, so it is asking from the script. Script nothing but don't think about that. We need no need to write from the any single code also. This is everything just we can play back, right? Recording only we can do. So you can give from the like script name, like for example we are doing from the some application name flight booking we are doing. So just you can give from the flight booking. Okay, click on create button. So this is like not a regular classes, just demo class only. Okay, just please listen, and I will show from the end-to-end testing for today class only. I will show from the like as a performance test engineer what is the your duty. I will end to end I will show. Okay, so you can see after that just you can record button. This is the record button. Okay, and you want to record means we need to give from the application nothing but like browser, which browser you want Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, or so which browser you want you can select it. And here is important URL, like which application you are testing you need to give from the that URL. Okay, for example I am doing from the flight booking application nothing but I want to book the flight, so that is point of a given that, and we have the some recording options will be there. Just we need to check for that once before recording. Okay, so these two will be every time, like in the script type will be second one, first one will be need. We'll discuss, okay, after class start. Okay. Okay, so everything is fine. Then just click on OK, and now click from the start record button. Click on S. See, what is the browser you are given, that browser automatically it will open. So no need to open from the manually. So our tool itself automatically it will open, like which browser you are selected. For example, you which browser we are selected, Chrome browser you are selected. So that browser automatically it will open, and you can observe it is opening from the our browser. See, and which URL you are given, that URL also it is opening from the automatically it is opening. Okay, so you can observe here. So you can observe here recording events will be there, and this is the just time. So recording time, and still it is loading. You can wait. Okay, I think we have one server will be there. So this is just like once open this, right, URL will be automatically open, and like what is the business flow you want to record, that business flow, like for example Facebook will be there, you can launch and log in, click on flight. So just you can front end what you are doing you can do from here, and our tool itself automatically it will be recorded. Okay, better to so let me 1 minute, I'm stopping because I forget to on the server. Okay, just will re-record again. Okay, no worry. Okay, just before that just will observe that like business flow first. So this is the application, you can just click from the record button. This is the our URL, so this URL you need to record. So first thing you can observe manually you are able to open or not, you need to check. See, this is the launch, so these steps only we can perform. Launch, and after that we need to give from the username and password, and click on login button and flights, and select from the, like you want to go, where go, Los Angeles to Denver, and which state you are going, you can give from this all things and click on continue. And after that, so these all available flights from the Los Angeles to Denver, you can select from the any one of the flight and click on continue, and enter from the details, like what are the details, you can just address details, credit card numbers, all things you need to update. And after that you can click on continue button. So you can observe, thank you for booking through web tour application. So what are the steps we have performed here, right? Same thing we can do from the in our using from the our tool, like you can just click from the now start record button. So again, so you can observe again our browser is automatically it is open. So I'm not done anything is manually. So it is loading. So if recording also very challenge because some application will be we are unable to recording. Why? Because some proxy settings need, and same to the like we need set from the some settings also. So based on from the application which protocol support, it is a web protocol or web services or SAP or so which protocol we need to use also very important for us. So we change URL. Okay. That URL is some issue thing. Okay. I given from the now different URL and we'll try. So recording options like when we are write exact classes, I will explain Pandra recording options. Like we need to give from the some like options also important. So that will I will explain. So again it is opening from the okay. Everyone able there? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Everyone able to hear? What happened?
Yes, yes. Yes.
But I'm not. So you can observe here. So if when you are recording the script, it is events are increasing nothing but your script is you are able to recording okay. Otherwise, if it is like it is not increasing this, your script is not recording properly. So you can observe. See, it is increased up to 89. See now you can observe. So launch is completed. After that, what we can do? We can do from the sign in. So just we can give from the transaction name is the like login. Okay, just what I'm doing, I'm written here. Okay, login, and just you can perform the login details here. Okay, password also we need to provide and click on login button. So you can observe events will be keep on increasing. So then only your script is, see, login is completed. So just we need to end the login. This is the end the login. And after that, again what you are doing, you are clicking from the like some pets. So click on pet, you can do. Okay, click on pet. So you can give from the start transaction name is click on pet and click from the any one of the pet. And again you can, everything will be same, right? You can click on the some pet and add to cart. We can give from the transaction name again add to cart. So just we are doing from the front end only, automatically our tool will be record. See, add to cart and final will be proceed to checkout. Before that we need to end this transaction and give from the proceed to checkout. Okay, click on OK button and click from the now proceed to checkout and enter from the all the details like route type and all details you can enter. Click on continue and again it is asking from the confirmation what are the details you are entered. See, thank you for your order been submitted and end this page store. This final will be sign out. So you can give from the sign out. Click for OK button and click from the sign out button. And see, you actually our business flow only we can book the one pet. Where pet is completed, we are end the this. So after complete from the entire business flow, you need to stop recording. This is the stop record button. Just click on the stop record button. So automatically the code will be generating. No need to write from the single code also manually. Okay. So you can observe here we have the everything is recorded. So you can observe also. See, we are given login. So the login code is, this is the belongs to the login code. See, we are given from the username and password. And you can observe login is completed. After that, what we did, click on pet. So you done the click on pet. So this is the proceed to checkout. And final we done the sign out. See, sign out. So what you done, everything is recorded, right? You can see by seeing also we can easily know that what are the steps you performed, everything is recorded or not. By seeing here you can observe sign out, you can observe above, you can see confirm and proceed to checkout. See order this one and proceed to checkout and add to cart, like we are added cart, and after that final will be like we are selecting from the pet and login. So you need to record like this, and after that just we can execute from the one time. Okay, just this is the replay button, just click on this. So you can observe it is executing from the our script. See, your script will be pass. So main thing why we done this performance testing means, you can observe each and every transaction we can call it as a login, click on pet, add to cart, paste to, okay, proceed to checkout and sign out. So what are the names you are given, all transactions. So that code is calculated. You can observe this is the 1 second 175 milliseconds happen from the one user, and click on pet it is happen from the 561 milliseconds, add to cart 205 milliseconds, proceed to checkout. So like you can observe this is the very important for us. See, for example, for here we are miss one transaction name. What is that transaction? Launch. So launch also one transaction, right? We missed. You can observe. So here you are not given launch. It is not calculated for this launch. How much time it is happened? It is not calculated. So this start transaction and end transaction, which purpose we are using means, we want to calculate from the this code here to here how much time it is taking from the execution, it is calculated. If you not given from the transaction name, it is not calculated. For example, you can observe this code is belongs to the launch, but we are not given from this. So that is why in the report you can see we are unable to see the like launch is how much response time happen, like how much time it is taken. So that is why this transaction names are also very important for us, because client is actually is giving from the login how much time is happen. We can call it as a response time. And click on pet how much time it is happen. Add to cart how much time happen. So like that you can do. So now if you miss here, we can do from the here also we can give from the, you can select that code, click on surround with the transaction and give from the transaction name launch URL. So click on OK. Now again you can execute, then launch how much response time happen also we can calculate it. See, you can observe it is a launching and click on pet and order confirm and logout. See, now you can observe, so launch it is calculated 1 second 256 milliseconds happen. Last time we are seen no, right, because you are not given from the transactions. So this start and end transactions is a very important as a performance testing, because based on from the this start transaction end transaction only your count will be calculated, like your transaction response time is calculated. So here to here, like here to here, how much time it is happening. So single user point of view, it is happening here. Like here we are recording this and just this script is ready. Then this script we can push into the controller. So means just you can ready from this script, that script we can execute from the multiple users. Like you can observe here we are executed only one time only we are executed. But you want to execute multiple user means we have one more component is a controller. So this is the controller. So controller nothing but we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. Just open the controller. Okay. So this is the controller. So I will start with the new. Okay. So if you open controller, it will be look like this. And here we have the what are the scripts you performed. All scripts is the displayed here. So what is the your script name? You need to select. For example, what is the our script name? You can observe flight booking. So you need to select from the that. See, this is the our script flight booking. And just click on add button. Means we are adding from the our script in the controller. Just click on OK. See, you can observe this is the script name flight booking and this is the script path. Script path nothing but where it is saved, and quantity nothing but one user. But I want to execute from the more users means you can give from the, like for example 5 users I give it. Okay. And okay, and duration nothing but how much duration you want to execute. Now just I will execute from the just 2 minutes. Okay, because we don't have much time, right? So just I will give from the 2 minutes. And stop condition also just I will give it. Okay, so just I design from the scenario. Okay, test will execute 2 minutes and total how many users you can observe 5 users. So if you want for how many users you need to give from there. So if you want to see, for example, you want 500 users. So you can give from the 500 users, click on OK. You can observe it is applied here 500 users. So how many users you want to execute the test, you need to give from the that many users here. So 500 users means it will take more time. So that is why just I taking from the 5 users. And so after that, this is the design tab, nothing but we are designing the scenario, and run tab. And this is the start scenario means execution. Just click from the start scenario and click on S. See, users will be executing run state. See, all users will be run state. So how users perform you want means you can click on show user. So 5 windows will open and 5 users will be execute from the their scenarios. See, once we see 5 windows we are observing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. So it will execute from the multiple times. Like one user is doing from the login. See, you can observe one user will be selecting. So each and every user is doing from their transaction. How much duration you are given, like you are given from the 5 minutes or 2 minutes, it will execute from the until 2 minutes, and for this transactions will be repeat. Launch, login, click on flight, and I add to cart and log out. Again launch and login. It will happen from the many times it is happen. And you can observe, so it will executing like this, and you can observe, so this many transactions are passed, and if it is any fail or errors also it will show here. Okay, so just you should understand the like see execution elapsed time nothing but for as of now our execution is completed 1 minute 23 seconds is happened, and total passed transactions 507 is happened, and failed transactions only 2, and we have the errors. So if you got any errors also we can see the, if you click this and it will display from the error details. See some HTTP 500 code. So HTTP 500 means internal server error, application issue. So not our script issue. Okay. So it will execute from the till 2 minutes. See, after 2 minutes completed, user will gradually down. Means every user will be logout is happening, and final will be down. See, stopping. All 5 users stop, your test will be stopped. See, your test is complete. So just controller nothing but just we can design the scenario, how much users you want and how much duration you want to execute, and everything is done. Then we can analyze the results. Like analyze the results means launch is how much time may happen, login is 5 user point of view. So 5 users, login is how much, and click on pet how much, and add to cart and proceed to checkout, log out. So how much duration happen we need to calculate. So now you can go to the like next component is the analyzer. So just go to the results and click on the analyze results. So our one more component load runner analysis is open. So you can observe first is we are open views, that is a virtual user generator. We are recorded script, and after that controller nothing but we can design the scenario executed multiple user point of view, and what is the execution is completed, that results you are observing the using from the analysis, that is the analyzer, we can call it as a analyzer. See, your results will be loading. See, you can observe total is the 2 minutes 19 seconds your test is executed. So main thing what we need to observe means you can go to the here. So these are the your actual transactions. We can call it as a transactions. I told right, launch, login, and click on pet, and after that click on pet, add to cart, and proceed to checkout, sign out. So this how many users you are executed, you can see here total users also how many users executed also it will display 5 users you are executed. So 5 users average response time you need to observe. So any one of the transaction, actual client is a 2 second. Any one of the transaction is a more than 2 second, is the average only. You can only observe the average. Any transaction is a more than 2 second? No, right? So means your results will be good. If it is more than 2 seconds, for example, it is add to cart is happen 3 seconds, some 3.5 is happen. Then client will accept, they will not accept. Then what is your duty? Why this add to cart 3-second response time happen? Why this transaction happen more time? You need to start the issue. Check the what is the issue of that transaction happen 3 seconds. So you can start with the first thing will be we need to start with the CPU and memory. See, you can go to the CPU and memory also we need to observe. You can observe if you are doing from the 5 users means each and every user also it will take from the some CPU and memory utilization. You can observe these are the process like in our system what I open each and every application it is taking some CPU and some memory. Same way when you are executing the execution each and every user some CPU utilization memory utilization it is a need. So this CPU memory it is crossing from the more than 80 percentage or memory also it is crossing more than 80 percentage. So there is no space of the CPU and memory. That is why what is happen your transaction response time will be high. Your transaction response time could be high. So your transaction will be high. So like that it is a database side issue, it is a network side issue. So you need to identify, for example CPU memory you are observed, so it is a more than 80%. Then what we can do, we have the infrastructure team will be there, you need to inform them I executed 5 users. So 5 user point of view this CPU's memory is not sufficient, could you please increase the CPU memory, maybe the 4 GB will be there, they will increase from the 8 GB. Then again you can do from the one more test, same 5 users again you can do, and after that you are observe that your transaction response time will be within 2 seconds, then your test will be good. Then what we can do, just we can send this report to the client. So just open from the Excel and just copy these results to the and you can share and your like job will be done. This is the only as a performance testing, end-to-end testing. So now question and answer section. So just this is demo. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me for here. You can ask me free to like assume to the. I think we have missed some introduction from the starting. Okay, everyone. Okay. So first thing we'll start with the like doubts. Okay, don't left. Okay. Hi everyone. This is the your section. You can ask me any questions. No worry.